In a small village nestled among green hills lived a devout young man named Ali. He was known for his kindness and unwavering faith. His life centered around the teachings of Islam, and he took great pride in living by them. One day, a terrible storm struck the village. Homes were damaged, fields were flooded, and people were in dire need. The storm left many villagers without food, shelter, or warmth. Seeing their plight, Ali knew he could not sit by idly. Ali recalled the words of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who said, "He is not a believer whose stomach is full while his neighbor is hungry." Inspired by the teachings, Ali gathered his family and proposed they share what little they had with those affected by the storm. Together, they prepared meals and distributed clothing. Ali's generosity inspired others in the village to do the same. Soon, there was an overwhelming outpour of charity and support. Each villager contributed what they could, ensuring everyone had food to eat and a warm place to rest. One evening, Ali gathered the village under the clear, star-filled sky. He spoke of the blessings of unity and charity, reminding everyone that their acts aligned with the core principles of Islam. As the village slowly rebounded, the people grew closer, bound by ties of mutual respect and love. Ali's leadership in times of adversity became a guiding light, teaching them the true essence of Islamic manners: generosity, compassion, and unity. Through his actions, Ali showed that when believers practice kindness and selflessness, they embody the true spirit of Islam. In the days following, the villagers began to regularly gather, sharing stories of faith and support, strengthening their bonds and commitment to living by Islamic values. This narrative serves to remind us that true Islamic manners are not only about personal piety, but also about fostering compassion and community service, illuminating the path of generosity and benevolence in our everyday lives.